the Israel-Palestine conflict needs a permanent solution, like the one which happened between Israel and Egypt. We have seen Israel-Hamas wars before. The last one was in 2014, and we know how they go. In end, both the sides bury their dead, clear the rubble, and go back to business as usual while preparing for the next round. They need a permanent end to hostilities. Every crisis creates an opportunity, and Israel and Palestine must use this crisis to create a lasting peace. The Israel and Palestine war will presumably end, and it has in the past as well, with both sides having inflicted so much suffering on the other, though with Israel having inflicted vastly more. But they both declare victory and call it a day. But those who will die will never return. So peace must be established at every cost. In the middle of this war in the Middle East, China is also on its work in the region. We have seen the Chinese statement in the United Nations Security Council, and it says a lot. Already it has brought, that is China has brought, economically bankrupted Iran due to US sanctions, and also its health structure was crushed due to COVID in its fold with the $400 billion deal between the two. And Iran doesn't come alone. It comes with at least half a dozen of states under its sphere of influence. And these states can be a boon not only for Chinese raw material hunger, but also for its very expensive dream project of the Belt and Road Initiative to become a global hegemonic power. And they can also provide military bases to the communist state. So this crisis, these conflicts must be stopped for a greater good, as today's United States won't be able to tackle a two-front Cold War with China, one in the Middle East and another one in the Indo-Pacific. As far as the Middle East is concerned, China doesn't need to spend a lot of money there to continue a Cold War, because the Iranian fraction is already doing the same against the United States since past so many decades. And this creates an opportunity for China to put all its efforts to push most of its money in the Indo-Pacific region, which is almost a backyard for it. And America won't be able to sustain a two-front war. So for the betterment of the global community, for the betterment of America, its allies and its partners, we are also one of the partners of the US friendship, China must be stopped. And for that, the conflicts must be put to an end. A friendly resolution must be brought in, so that China, which practices the vulture diplomacy, I always keep the point, vulture diplomacy is a diplomacy by China. Debt trap diplomacy and vulture diplomacy, it doesn't succeed in the Middle East, and it is good for everybody. So the hostilities between Israel and Palestine must come to an end. Both must hug each other, the people must hug each other, and a peaceful solution must be there. And this is a message from the land of Gandhi. Thank you.